and environments.
Now, stakeholders in the trade industry from across the country and beyond have come up with solutions in international trade, having bilateral talks between Kenya and Pakistan aiming to improve trade between the involved parties. Now, speaking during a breakfast meeting that was held here in Nairobi, Pakistan envoy to Kenya, Ibrahim Hussein Khan, said it's a win-win situation since Pakistan will enjoy products from Kenya and Kenya benefit from Pakistan's rich culture.
Thank you very much. In appreciation of your great work.
30 years, Wilfred has been importing.
Naweza shirikiana na wafanyabiashara wa mchele, wa madawa, wa aina vitu mingi ambazo Pakistani wanafanya, tunaweza kuwapatia hizo solutions zetu.
We saw it as an opportunity where we can meet more potential traders, not only for Kenya. We are talking about Mombasa and using Kenya as a hub into the East Africa. So we are looking at an opportunity where we can expand trade and support more partners who are coming in, not only for the tea and rice. From today, we've had there's a lot more opportunities coming from textile, from sportswear, from medical equipment, from pharmaceuticals.
There is a huge demand of light engineering goods in this country. Pakistan does produce those products. And so if we come together, we buy what you produce and you buy what we make and produce and manufacture, then that is a win-win situation for both the countries.
We want to take that trade and development and trade and investment further away from tea and rice only, but into other segments, into other industries, into other products as well.
So we don't want to supply expensive things to the citizens of Kenya. We want to supply a cheap price and a good quality.